guys, welcome to another simple tutorial video in my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create drive links to share any files from your Google Drive to your friends. And there are a couple of ways how you can do it, so I'm going to show you all the way you can possibly share your files with your friends. And without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Drive. And suppose I'm going to share this file. The first way that you can select the friends or the person that you want to share. All you have to do is add those person and create the link and send those link to that person. To do that, just click those straight three dots on here. Just click that, and to copy this link, all you have to do is just select this copy link. And now I'm going to show you how you can select the person that you want to access this link. Just go this option, share, and here you can do all you have to do is just select their email ID and just send those arrow button and send. And in email ID they will get the link, and only that person who has the link will access, and you also added that person, so he can only access the files. But there is another way that the person who has the link can access this file. So to do that, click those three dots here and select manage access here, and here you see the option restricted. All you have to do is change this option. Just click that option and click this option restricted. Now select this option, anyone with the link, just select it. And now anyone with the link that I previously copied, you can send it to any person, and the person who have that link can access this file pretty easily. And this is the way you can create a drive link to share any files. And this is the video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel. And until then, I will see you guys on another video.